Hey, good morning everybody. It's Lonnie. Today's project, we're going to be building a box turtle enclosure outside. I'm so excited about this. As you could see here, I already cleared out this space and pretty much I picked up these bricks that were laid down here. We had our little outdoor play shed, I guess you could say, that kept all of Hayden's outdoor toys in it. We moved that to the side of the house and now this space is empty. I went ahead and filled in the parts of the yard, or I guess that little space right there that had some holes in it and it was like completely collapsed. I walked around there, make sure that everything was pretty much packed in, and then from there I leveled it out. And so all I got to do now is head on to Lowe's or Home Depot and go from there. Okay. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Whew, I'm out of breath because right now what we did was we just got these bricks right over here from Lowe's. Let me go ahead and flip the camera around so that way you guys can see the brick that we're using for my turtle habitat. Okay. So as you can see here, these bricks are so pretty. We got these from Lowe's. Each one was $2.38 and they had a whole bunch of them. Today I just only purchased 50. The brick that you see right here were old brick that was left like 10 years ago when we bought this home. And this is where I'm going to have my turtle habitat. So as you can see, I lined the edges, and earlier what I did was I cleaned this area out, I leveled it, and then I lined it with the new brick, and the old brick is going to go in the center. That way when I have my box turtle living outdoors, he or she won't be able to dig all the way down and leave his habitat. I am going to be building it up about 3 to 4 feet, so then that way there's going to be plenty of soil and mulch and everything else I need to add in there for the little turtle. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay out all the bricks. I bought 50 of them and we'll see how far that takes us. Hey guys, so next update is I removed some of the rocks from the dog run and I'm moving it into my my turtle enclosure, and it's pretty much the secondary foundation for the enclosure. So the first layer was the brick, used brick, old brick that we had around our backyard, and then we went ahead and put the rocks in there and pretty much we evened it out. So that's the secondary layer. We're pushing the rocks along the sides to ensure that the turtle doesn't dig out through those corners, which I don't think they would be able to anyways, just because it's pretty tight on this side. But we wanted to just make sure that we're doing it, because once we add the mulch and the dirt and everything else in this enclosure, it's going to be harder to try to fix after that point. So again, this is the secondary foundation for the turtle enclosure to ensure that my turtles don't get out. And Hayden is over here. Say hi, Hayden. She's evening out the gravel for me. Isn't she a big helper? And just making sure that everything is leveled and even. And after this, we're going to go ahead and get some mulch and add that third layer. So stay tuned. Hey guys, so today what we're going to be doing with the turtle habitat, as you can see right here, can you guys see that? Okay, as you can see, this is what the habitat looks like. It's looking not too bad. I just added some Mexican feather grass in there just to give some protection. Today I got in the mail from Amazon a little bit of rocks, about 2 pounds of river rocks. And I bought this. This is pet grass, which I figured I could just put in there so they can munch on it when they are in the pen. And you know what this is. You know I can't pronounce it all these years, and you know I still can't pronounce it. So just take a good look at it. There you go. And what I'm gonna do today is just add these ginormous bags of leaf litter. I want to say thank you to Indira from in our gardening group for gifting this to me. So I'm going to be using these leaves in here, and for the most part what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift this part of the house. Ugh. And I'm going to add some leaf in there and then pretty much scatter all the leaves here. Of course, I'm going to be removing the little water tray out of there so I could just go ahead and fill it with some leaves. Re-add the water tray, add some rocks in the water tray, and pretty much plant these. I'm thinking when it comes to this stuff, I'm going to most likely just probably put the grass somewhere right here, just because one, it'll be easier to water for me, and two, when I'm going in here to clean the pen, I'm jumping over it, you know, instead of like stepping on it. So now that I'm saying it aloud, I might just keep it here or just keep it back here. I don't know. You guys let me know, where do you think I need to put it? Okay. So I'll get that done and then I'll show you an update on once it's done. All right, guys. So this is the final product. We have a habitat. So I added the mulch litter. Now once I wet it down and step on it, it's going to break down some of the leaves. I planted some of the flowers back here, just some seeds. They won't start popping out until February, March time anyway, so I'm completely fine with that. And I decided to hold off on this until it gets a little bit warmer. And yeah, this is it. This is the final habitat. I love how it turned out. There's an area for them to stay protected from the heat, and it's easy to clean up because the lid on top can pop up. There's a little hideaway here, and you can't see it because of the leaves now, but there's a hideaway here. There's a hideaway here, and pretty much the flowers are back here. And when it gets a little bit warmer around mid-March, I'm going to go ahead and add some edibles, either directly in these corners right here, or I'm just going to go ahead and give them some fresh leaves daily from the raised bed. It all depends on how they like it. I won't get these turtles until April, May time, so it's going to be a little wait before those little critters are in here. But until then, their little habitat is ready to go. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you later. Bye-bye.